So guys, today we are going to learn how to color code a rj45 line cable. Okay, so this is our cat 6 cable. So how to cut this cable first? This is a twisted pair cable. Make sure the cable is not damaged while you are cutting. Okay, check out all the cables. We have to make them straight. For that we are using this. Okay, so we have to arrange these cables like this. Okay, so the color coding is like this: light orange, dark orange, light green, dark blue, light blue, dark green, light brown and brown. Okay, this is the color code. Now we have to use the crimping tool. Okay, we have to cut the access wire. So after this we have to use a rj45 jack like this. Okay, we have to insert the these cables into that rj45 jack. Okay, like this we have to press. After this we have to use crimping tool. We have to insert like this. Okay. Now we have to press. We have to press 2-3 times so that it crimped properly. So this is how we have to crimp both the sides. Okay, thank you.